how to link Ubisoft account to Xbox account. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your Xbox account to your Ubisoft account. So first of all, you have to open a new tab on your web browser and search for Ubisoft login, and after that you can see the login Ubisoft option is here. You just have to click on login Ubisoft, and after that a sign in or login form will appear. You just have to log into your account through this, as I've already logged into my account. And after that you have the option called account information from here or here. You can select any of them, so let's select one, and you just have to scroll down and look for the linked account sections. And as you can see, there are multiple accounts showing, like Discord, Facebook, Xbox, PlayStation. So this video is for Xbox, so we'll just click on link to the Xbox section and click on continue. And after that it will detect our Xbox account, and here it is. Our Xbox account is this one, and we'll just let this app access your info, one of one app. So we'll just click on accept to link the account, and it's already linking. And as you can see, it's requiring the final confirmation to link your account. You just have to click on continue for that, and after clicking on continue, your Xbox account is successfully linked to your Ubisoft account. You can check your Xbox account, and here you can see it's my Xbox account, and you can click on manage profile, and you can check if the linked account is here, like my consoles. Okay, so the Ubisoft account is finally linked with the Xbox account of yours. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.